The number of tropical cyclones has not risen over the past 4 decades, but their intensity has notably increased according to international databases. An average of 47 cyclones occur annually, and over the past decade, their maximum wind speed has increased by 5% from 182 kilometers per hour to 192 kilometers per hour. The frequency of Category 5 cyclones, which have winds exceeding 250 kilometers per hour, has also risen by 40%. This rise in intensity aligns with findings from the UN's Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or IPCC, which links climate change to stronger cyclones. So kumbaga from quantity of storms nagiging quality, in other words, mas matindi. Oo.
Parang napansin din naman natin yun in 2024, no? There was a time, sunod-sunod yung mga bagyo.
Oh, I think that was October.
October,
diba?
November,
Yeah,
yung stretch na yun.
Yung
Parang,
the stretch of 3 na tumama sa north.
yes, oo. Pero when you take a look at their intensity, grabe rin naman talaga. That's why maraming mga probinsya, mga lalawigan, yung nasalanta.
Yeah.
So, it looks like it's only gonna get worse from here, no? Yung in terms of quality nga, ng mga tropical cyclones.
Sabi nga ng Pag-asa, although we didn't hit the number of storms that was forecasted to enter, pero the strength of each storm that came in daw, talagang iba-iba ang lakas nila eh. Dati kasi back in the day, it's talagang wind lang ang problema mo. Ngayon, wind, rain, o meron ka pang storm surge, di ba? So, ang daming binabantayan sa... Kaya minsan people are confused with the way the LGUs present from Pag-asa yung
Kung
news.
signal number 1 lang, di ba?
Parang ina-associate nilang signal number 1 with strong rain when it's just wind. So meron pa rin tayong rainfall warning.
Correct.
May storm surge warning.
Naku, sana mapaghandaan natin ng maayos yung 2025, ano? For sure, marami na ng mga bagyo, mga sama ng panahon ang posibleng dumapo sa ating bansa, and of course, lalo na yung intensity niya.
Ayoko sana ipasok paano yung mga flood control projects sa Metro Manila? Asan na yung flood control? We will see it this year kung yung sinasabi yung flood control projects efficient na. Oo.